Hello everyone, my name is Annie Zhang. I'm from Southern Southern High School. I'm a junior. And today I'm gonna present my project. Narrative of the life of Frederick Douglass. He is a revolutionary, politician, orator, and writer. He was also a slave, and he enjoyed a slave life for 21 years before he escaped to the North. He became a leader in the abolition of slavery and social reform. Douglas he left his family and later became a slave in the city. His employer, Mr. Covey, required him to do a lot of work and will punish him if he does not do well. He lost the freedom that one should have. He once scared the ox were getting wood. It crashed on the tree, causing the car to shake. His employer whipped him as a punishment, but this time he fought back. In pursuit of freedom, he successfully escaped to New York. And finally, thank you for watching this video.